I'm from Srirampur.
Srirampur. So you're at home right now, right?
Yes, ma'am. Right now I'm at home.
Okay. So what is the situation of the epidemic in your area right now?
It's good, ma'am. It's quite good.
Is anyone affected from your locality?
No. Nothing. Not happening like very much.
No cases reported yet, right?
No, not yet, ma'am.
Okay, Dhruv.
Okay.
So I wish you to stay safe and everyone here to stay safe. Okay.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you for
Thank you, ma'am.
introducing yourself. Let's move to the next candidate.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. I'm Shomita.
Yes. Hi, Shomita.
Hi, ma'am. Firstly, I'll tell you about my habitat. I'm from Tollygunj. I live with my parents, and I have done my schooling from Swami Pranavananda Vidyapith, which is at Tollygunj only. And I have done my graduation with commerce from Joypuria College. And now I'm pursuing my master degree from Institute of Engineering and Management. From the very beginning, I wanted to grow my career with marketing. So here am I doing my internship in digital marketing. And my interest lies in social media, obviously, and music. So that's it. Thank you.
Okay. So music is your passion and hobby, both?
Yeah, both.
Okay. So I am hoping that during this quarantine time, you're giving enough time to your passion, right?
You can say a bit.
Sort of. Okay.
Yeah.
It's very good that you are also in nurturing your passion, because all the time we cannot expect someone to study and go through all this technical
Actually.
stuff and everything. Okay. So that is quite monotonous though. Okay. So it's good. Keep on nurturing your passions also.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shomita.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next candidate.
Hi, ma'am. This is Isha.
Hi, Isha.
Ma'am, I'm from Kolkata. I am a student of Institute of Engineering and Management, MBA student. I am a BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering, and I have always wanted to start a career in digital marketing. So I have decided on doing an MBA after engineering. I love reading books, music, and traveling, cooking.
Okay, so that's a lot of hobbies. So what book are you currently reading?
I am currently reading a book of Satyajit Ray. That's I know everyone knows about it, Felida. I'm rereading it.
Okay. It's always a pleasure to reread Satyajit Ray's books.
Yes, of course.
Yes. Okay, so welcome to today's session, Isha. I hope you gain some insight from these sessions. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Can we have our next candidate?
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
This is Ekta Yadav, and I'm a graduate. Hello.
Yes, you're audible. Please continue.
I'm a graduate in Computer Science and Engineering from St. Mary's Technical Campus, Kolkata, and right now I'm pursuing MBA in Marketing from IIM Kolkata. And thank you, ma'am, for giving me the opportunity to work as an intern in your company.
Yeah, it's our pleasure to have you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So, what about your hobbies and passions? Anything?
Ma'am, my hobbies is playing online games like PUBG and listening music.
No, PUBG is very popular. We don't. Yeah, a lot of people play that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. There are certain benefits of playing video games also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, no, as long as it doesn't turn to an addiction, there are so many benefits of playing even video games. Okay, thank you, Ekta. Thank you, Ekta, for introducing yourself. We'll just move to our next candidate.
Hello, ma'am. This is Shurangana Sarkar.
Hi, Shurangana.
Hello, ma'am. I am pursuing my MBA from Institute of Engineering and Management. I have completed my BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Poilan College of Management and Technology. Well, actually, I'm a 2017 BTech pass out student. After that, I worked in Cognizant for a period of 7 months. I was doing pretty well. My posting was in Chennai and everything was going great. My domain was Advanced Java, but then again it was kind of like I was feeling little monotonous, and to be very honest, while doing my BTech I had this tendency to do management. I was like thinking of doing it, and so I chose this, and I'm actually very glad that I chose this program right now. And I was born and brought up in Maithon. My entire schooling is from Maithon, and I love interacting with people, and to be very honest I can say that my strength would be presentation skills. I love giving presentations. Like in the future, if I get a job where I have to give presentations every single day, I would love to do that. And I am tremendously obsessed with Korean dramas. Like for the last 11 years, I've been watching it. So maybe that's the main reason why I kind of opened my own YouTube channel 2 months back. Well, I won't brag about it though, because I just have 100 subscribers. But then again, when I look at the total number of views, I kind of become very happy, because it's almost like 18,490 viewers have watched it. So that's currently my hobby. I love doing it, editing videos, and I'm trying to know about it. And thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to work as an intern. I would love to work here, and I would love to gain knowledge about marketing, digital marketing. Thank you so much.
Well, Shurangana, it's a pleasure for us to have you here, and also I'm very glad that you followed your heart, you followed your passion. You felt monotonous, so you switched your career and decided to go and do what you are doing now. So I hope that this session brings in some insight and it's helpful to you. Okay, thank you, Shurangana.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, can we move to our next candidate, please?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Who is this?
Ma'am, I'm Srijit Sinha.
Okay, hi Srijit. Yes.
Hi, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm currently doing my MBA in Institute of Engineering and Management.
Okay.
Before that, I used to do, I did engineering from Techno India College of Technology in Electronics and Communication department. Before that, I passed out my class 12 board examination in the year 2015. And probably my hobby is watching football, playing any kinds of sports.
Okay, so you are a very outdoorsy person.
Yes, ma'am.
So how is quarantine going for you, since you are such an outdoorsy person?
Ma'am, actually, like I'm watching football in YouTube, whether it's highlights. Some of the leagues are right now going on, so I'm watching those matches.
Okay, Srijit, it's very nice of you to say about all your things and everything. Now, welcome to our today's session. Okay, thank you. Yeah, can we have our next candidate? Can we have our next candidate?
Hello, ma'am. This is Zemi Shen.
Hi, Zemi.
Yes, I'm from Kolkata. I have done BTech in the year of.
Okay, can you be a bit louder? Please be a bit louder.
Yeah, I have done BTech in civil engineering in the year of 2007, and then right now I'm pursuing MBA from Institute of Engineering Management. I came to know about this internship program from LinkedIn. It's great privilege for me to join PCS Global as a digital marketing intern. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, that's all about you. Nothing else.
No, ma'am.
Why no? Please tell me
such
a few more
hobbies
things about yourself.
I don't have such hobbies.
Okay,
like,
okay. You have no hobbies, no issues. But okay, just tell me what you do your entire day, your work routine for the entire day. Just tell me.
Firstly, like I was preparing for some software like Python. The whole day I was studying for it. That's it.
So you are like what? You like to study whole day?
And I was preparing for my semester examination also.
Okay. Okay. So welcome to today's session. Okay.
Thank you.
And can we have, yes. Okay. So can we have our next candidate? Please introduce yourself.
Rahul, I am currently pursuing. Hello,
Can you be a bit
is
louder?
it audible?
Yeah, it's better now.
Yeah.
Yeah, please continue. Hello. Hello.
Ma'am, I think Rahul is having some network issues.
Okay, no issues. If he is having some
Sorry,
problem, then he can just continue with his introduction a bit later. In the meantime, someone else, please come ahead and introduce yourself.
Shoptik, are you there?
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Yeah, ma'am. This is Priyam Pramani.
Hi, Priyam. Please introduce.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm from Kolkata. In Kolkata, I stay near Kumartuli Park. Coming to my educational background, I have done my class 10 and 12 from St. Paul's Mission School. In the year 2015, I have graduated in BBA from Nopani Institute of Management Studies in the year 2018. After that, for 6 months, I have worked in an organization as a virtual assistant, and then I have decided to continue my work studies. So I'm here currently pursuing my MBA in IEM. And coming to my hobbies are like traveling. Now I'm not doing that, obviously. And watching cricket. That's all, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Hello, sir. I'm Shalini.
Hello, Subham, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, Shalini, just welcome to PCS Global family. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Yes,
you so
yes. So, please wait. We'll come to you within a few seconds. Okay.
Sure, sir.
So, Subham, introduce yourself.
So me.
Yes.
Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Myself Shubham Tanavati. So basically, I stay in Bhubaneswar. So I'm pursuing my MBA in IBCS, SOA University. I've completed my graduation in BCom from PN Autonomous College. Basically, in my free times, I like to do social works. Basically, I'm good at leadership and organizing events. So that's it from my side. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Subham. Now we'll come to the new persons in the meeting room. Anyone new in this meeting room?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, so I'll come to Salini. Salini, welcome to Pieces Global. Can you introduce yourself?
Sure, sir. Good evening, all. Hi, I'm
Yes.
Shweta Roy. I'm from Kolkata. Right now, I am doing my digital marketing course from Internet Marketing School. Before I joined digital marketing, I have done my HR and I have done back office admin, several jobs. But suddenly I shifted my career to digital marketing, and now looking for an internship, and gratefully joined this internship with this wonderful company. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Salini, I think you have been referred by Ajay, right?
Right, sir. Right, sir.
Okay, how did you know Ajay?
He's my friend. He's my childhood friend, actually.
Okay, he's very funny guy. And mostly he missed our sessions. That is the pathetic. Every time I used to call Ajay, are you available? No, sir. I'm not available now. I
He's
cannot
very
attend the sessions.
really, he's
He's
very
very helpful. He's very helpful, very genius guy. But and he's very busy even also. And I told him also that Ajay, if you miss frequently our sessions, he's into Java development in our team.
right,
Someone
right.
has referred by someone, his friend who is working in TCS. So she has recommended him literally.
Seem right.
And her name is, she's Muslim. I forgot the name.
Nasim. Yeah, nice.
Yes,
Nasim. I know.
exactly.
I know
Yes,
him.
yes. You know her also.
Yes, yes. I know him.
Okay, okay. Very good. So suddenly you stay in Kolkata in which place?
Sir, Mollar Gate. Actually, it's a Boj Boj route.
Boj route. Okay,
15 minutes
okay.
from Tagatala, actually.
Okay, no issues. Welcome to the group member. And as you are senior, so definitely you can also share your knowledge. You have worked in organizations and
Right.
you are attending the professional course on digital marketing. You know, we can also learn from you. And this
No,
program is like we will exchange our knowledge here.
sure.
Maybe you do have more, maybe I do have less. Maybe so we can also learn from you. You can also learn from us. So we
Definitely.
think that this is a general platform where we will exchange our knowledge and we will become similar. Of course, everybody will be different because everybody's thought process is different. Everybody looking and thinking process is different. So looks different, and how they work, that is different. Maybe they are working on a similar job role, but they will do different in a different way. So let me introduce myself. I think you have got an idea about my profile. And before that, I will introduce uh, our team members. So I hope so. Here we do have two team members. One already you had a talk with Manjali madam, and next Neha, she didn't join till now. Okay, she's also one of our team member.
Okay, hi.
Let me call her. Just given 1 second. Let me call her and ask her to join in this room. Sorry. So she didn't check the WhatsApp. She is from Assam. Okay. And sometimes she is having network issues. So she will be joining soon. So Premanjali is one of our key member in HR team. She is a senior resource and she is doing very good. And she is taking care of our induction process. She is taking care of our college campus drives. She is taking care of our interview scheduling and the talent acquisition part, mainly recruitment. And she is working closely with me and one of our HR lead, Sunit Chaudhary. Sunit Chaudhary is also ex-IBM. He used to work in IBM senior resource. Then he joined PCS Global as a HR lead. And Premanjali madam used to work in HDFC Bank. And Premanjali has done MBA from Globsin. She is from Durgapur. Presently, all we are in our home and we are working from our home as we are operating the whole office in remote. And we do have decided that we are not going to start the office in full swing until and unless there is no vaccine available in the market, because it's all about our life. And as we are working in IT organizations, we can work from home if we do have a good internet connections and one laptop or one desktop, anyone. We don't need to go office literally. So second thing, we have decided that in future also PCS Global is not going to call all resources in office. We'll call only 20 to 25% resources in our office and we'll rotate all the resources. And so that because every infrastructure is having some limitations. So we need to manage the infrastructure capacity. If I do have a capacity of 100 employees sitting arrangement, and if I am working on remote, I can depute 300 resources. I can rotate the resources every month. I can call 100 resources for this month. Next month I can depute those 100 resources in home, and the next 100 they will be coming for 1 month. Like that we can rotate the resources. So that plan has been done, and we are moving towards that. We are recruiting more HR members, and we will be glad to offer all of you. You can join with us in our HR team, in our digital marketing team. If you want, then definitely you can join in our team also as an employee, definitely. So once we are going to give you the sessions, this is not like the please switch up the speaker. Switch up the speaker. Thank you so much. Someone has switched on the speaker. Because that sound is coming inside again and it is getting echo. Okay. So what I was telling, these sessions are not exactly those patents internship sessions where the company will give you some work. They don't give you any knowledge, what you have to do, why you have to do, how you have to do, what are we doing, and what you're supposed to do. That kind of sessions are not happening in the bigger companies because they are so much busy and the process is so much oriented, so much structured that they do have separate operations like internship. People used to come in 1,000 or 2,000 people will be coming for doing internship. They'll be giving speech. They'll put you in auditorium. They'll give you some speech. They will let you know about the company profile and the exposures which you can get in that company. They will do proper branding. They will give you proper food, lunch, and everything. But no knowledge, as per my experience. I don't think so. You can learn a lot from there because after completion of the MBA, people are joining here as HR. So we used to talk with them, what happened at the time of our internship. So they said we didn't learn anything. Might be I have done a good internship in an MNC, but I didn't learn such things. Why? Because those are fully automated process systems. You don't have to do so much things. Everything is automated and it will go on systematically. But in a middle level company, we have to do so much things manually. we have to decide so much thing. We have to talk with every resources. We have to do several meetings, and then we can take a decision and we can go forward. So coming back to the point, why we will do internship. So I would like to throw the questions to all of you. Before that, I will complete the introduction part, and maybe this session will go up to 9:30. I don't think so. There will be any problem with all of you. So now Neha has joined, and I will ask then Sushavan. You are the old member here. Sushavan, please introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, I'm Shushavan. I am currently pursuing my MBA from Institute of Engineering and Management, and I am working in PCS Global from last few months. And yeah, sir has asked one question: why we are doing internship? We have to do internship to gain some knowledge, right? So in many companies, you have been assigned some tasks you have to do within time, like assignments and all. But in our company, we provide training first, and then we implement the the tasks. It will help us to gain larger experience for working in most of the MNCs in future. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Sushavan. Thank you for your effort that you have taken the initiative and you have engaged your friends and juniors in this internship. Thank you so much. I'll go to Shaili.
Yes, sir.
Shaili, madam. Yes, please introduce.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. I'm Shahili Shaha. I have completed my graduation from Future Institute of Engineering and Management, and currently I'm pursuing MBA from IEM. Apart from that, I'm doing internship in PCS Global. So, Imon ma'am has suggested me for internship in PCS Global, as sir have asked that why we do internship. Internship nowadays is mandate for an MBA student, from where we can gain experience, more exposure, and increase our marketability. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your effort and for your help to the juniors and the batchmates you are doing. You recommended one candidate in our organization, and I had a talk, and we are processing the joining formalities. Okay, and anyone, do you know Sumana Khatun? I don't think so.
Yes,
She is in
yes,
this
sir.
meeting room.
I know.
I don't
I'm
think
Sushavan,
so.
sir.
I don't think so. She's in meeting room. I forgot to send her the link, and as well also I forgot to add her in this WhatsApp group. Actually, I was giving a session to near about 170 people are there. Suddenly, the college teacher has told me that there will be 100 students. So you just go ahead with the sessions. I opened the meeting room today only 4 o'clock. And suddenly the meeting room was full. 100 students joined. Okay. Even also our HR didn't scope to get the scope to join. Even also our Java developers didn't go scope to join. The meeting room was full suddenly. Then we paid extra money. We paid 10,000 to Zoom, and we increased the meeting room member from 100 to 1,000. Now it is 500 plus. Now 500 plus people can join in this meeting room. And then the number became 170, 165 on an average. So, and then I just completed the sessions on 7:15 only. Tomorrow also we do have the sessions from 4 to 7:15. So this is a very good scope for us that, in this remote mode also, we can reach every corner of the world easily. We don't need to travel. With a single click, we can reach every portion. So, is there any new member in this meeting room? Please come up and introduce yourself. I think Neha is new. Neha, madam, please introduce. Neha madam, you have to unmute and you have to introduce.
Maybe
Okay,
she's
might
having some
be,
network
yes,
issue or anything.
might be. Now, sometimes he's forgetting. Let me call her. Hello, Neha madam, you have to unmute and respond in the meeting room. Please. So this is the first day, so it will take time to settle down, but we'll go fast, don't worry. Yes, Neha. Please introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Neha. I am from Moranhat, Assam. I did my BA in English from Moran Mahila Mahavidyalaya. It is under the Dibrugarh University. I had completed my +2 from same college. Now I am pursuing MBA. This is the last semester of my MBA. I have joined PCS Global Private Limited via LinkedIn. Now I am working as an HR intern in this company. This is a very good company, and I think this is good for freshers. It has to learn many things. And thank you.
Thank you so much, Neha madam. So now I will give my introduction, and if anyone is new joining, we'll complete the introduction later on. I think all were done. Anjali madam, we have done all the introduction, right?
Okay, yeah, I think we have completed more or less everyone's.
Anjali madam, if you change your locations, then you will get a better network. Your voice is breaking. Sunit Jana is new. Sunit, please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Sunit and I am from Bhubaneswar, Odisha. I have completed my BBA in Bhubaneswar. Now I am pursuing MBA in Presidency University, Bangalore. So I have joined this PCS Global as an intern. It's intern in digital marketing. And, it is a very good company and I get to know about this company via LinkedIn and many other social networking sites, like they have been posted many ads on it.
Thank you so much, Sunit.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes, so we'll go to next Siddharth. Siddharth, can you introduce?
Hello, this is Siddharth Kumar Mahanti.
Hi, Siddharth.
I am pursuing my MBA from SOA University. I am from Odisha. I have done my BCom from RMD College, which is coming under Utkal University. And I am I am doing a event organized, and I am also doing some social works. And now I am doing the intern in PCS Global, which is a good company. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Siddharth. So let me introduce myself. My full name is, I think you know, my full name is Shomak Konar. And I am a BE Computer Science pass out 2004. I did my BE from Siguraman Engineering College, Odisha, Bhubaneswar. And then I joined a very small company in 2005, and I used to get only 2,000 rupees salary per month in 2005. Okay, and still I joined the organizations, and I was quite happy, and I was working with the organizations, and I did the same job next 1 year. Then I switched my company, and I joined one more company in Kolkata. There is a e-learning company. E-learning company means now we do have images and so many types of formats, and we can wish people by sending images, by sending videos, and by sending any other format of wish. But at that moment, uh, there was no such options that we can share through any applications or maybe through uh, any portal. There was only one portal. That portal name is uh, Greetings India. Do you know anyone about greetingsindia.com? Anyone? Any
No, sir.
idea? Okay, let me say. This is a simple uh, portal. We used to send every wishes. मान लीजिए किसी को आपको ई greetings भेजना है. That means for wishing birthday, for wishing Diwali. So we used to send them ई greetings card. मेल में आता था, फिर हम लोगों को क्लिक करना पड़ता था और फिर जाकर एक्टिव होता था और बहुत सारा उसमें इफेक्ट्स आता था. So that is the company I worked. This is my second company. I loved it. First 6 months I did nothing, no job, nothing. 10 बजे सुबह मैं जाता था, 10 से 5 बजे तक बैठ के पूरा I was hopeless. And I used to ask my HR, तो कुछ तो काम दीजिए, आप मैनेजर को बोलिए. तो बोलता था, अरे तुमको पैसा तो मिल रहा है ना? हाँ, पैसा तो मिल रहा है, सैलरी मिल रहा है, सब कुछ मिल रहा है, सब कुछ, दोनों टाइम का टीवी मिल रहा है, सब कुछ फैसिलिटीज मिल रहा है, क्यूबिकल मिल गया है, लैपटॉप मिल गया है. फिर वो बोलता था, फिर आपको इतना टेंशन क्यों है, आप आराम से बैठिए ना, जब काम देगा तब कर देना. इस तरह से मेरा 7 months वहां पे गुजर गया. Then I feel so bored and I took decisions. No, I'm not going to work in this organization. I leave and I resigned from that job, and then I joined one company which is a petrochemical company, and that was in Haldia. The name is Haldia Petrochemical Limited, APCL. I joined there as a computer department quality manager, because there are so many things are there which is fully automated, and we have to control the full system automatically from the control room. So there was supercomputer even also, there was servers also there that we need to take care. So my role was a quality manager at that moment. So I worked in this organization near about 3 years. Then one of my very close friend, he has given me one opportunity, and that opportunity is like one of my senior, non-senior, who is working in at that moment. He was working in Infosys. Now he is working in Addison Technology, Gurgaon. It is also an MNC. So that senior was working in Infosys at that moment, and he has decided to open a company, literally a startup. So he was looking at someone, a guy who is having some sort of knowledge of programming, some sort of knowledge of managerial skills, and who can run a business also. And they selected me. They took me from here, and then I joined that company in Gurgaon. And next 6 months again, I got a very good kind of training from them. He used to take me to the campus of Addison, to the campus of Infosys, and he used to make me visitors, and I used to stay within the campus for next 6 years and 7 hours every day. The job role was I have to watch everybody, every resources, like throughout the whole day, and I have to follow them, like how they are working. I can access every corner of the office. I cannot sit anywhere. I have to sit in the reception only, but I can roam around. So I have to observe clearly, and that how many meeting rooms are there, how many meetings are happening, how many people are there inside, what their activities are there, how many people are attending and having lunch during this lunch time at a time in the canteen, that I have to observe. And every day evening I have to make one consolidated report which I used to send him. Like this way, after 6 months, I got so much expertise and I got confidence that I can manage a pool of 20,000 or 30,000 within a second, and just like, you know, with a very free and a very good well manners, I can manage people also. And I don't get panicked if I see 30,000 people in front of me and I have to manage them. I'll share one of my experience. The day I have joined PCS Global, that day, my MD declared that tomorrow we do have campus drive in Techno India main campus, which is very nearby in our office, which is very nearby College Mode also. And in that campus, we do have campus drive. The company people will go there by 10 o'clock in the morning, and near about 700 plus students will be there. They will attend the campus drive. So they are from all the group of colleges of Techno India, maybe TICT, maybe MSIT, maybe Netaji Subhas, maybe any other branches of Techno India. So my MD asked me, please do not, let tomorrow. It is a challenge for you. Please be present, within 10, maybe within 9:50, in front of the Techno India main campus. I said, yes, don't worry, I will come. At that moment, I used to stay in Sonarpur. You know very well that Sonarpur is how much far from Sector 5. And I do have my own bike. So I got overconfident that I will reach by time. Somehow I stuck in traffic and I got 5 minutes late. Once I reached in front of the college, there was nobody from my office. Okay, I called them. Nobody was picking up call. And then I decided I have to go inside randomly. I parked my bike and I asked the security guard, where is the auditorium? Any campus day is happening there? Can you tell me where is the auditorium? The security guard guided me, and it is just behind of the campus. Once I entered the auditorium, I opened the door and I saw people are sitting on the chair and it is overcrowded. People are standing just behind of the chairs. Near about 700 plus students are there in this auditorium. And I saw in left side there is sofa and chairs are there. All the directors, principal, HOD, TPOs, and so many college authorities are there. Near 40 plus. And then in another sofa, my team members are sitting. Suddenly, my MD called me in mic and said, oh, hey, Somak is there. Now, Somak, it's your turn. You have to give your speech. I was having no preparations. Totally blank. Okay. Because suddenly I came to know that I have to give PPT. I don't know how is my PPT. I don't know even also what should I speak. Because that is the first time I am attending any campus type and where I supposed to keep some speech in behalf of my company. My MD said, okay, you can use my laptop. I will open the PPT and you give the sessions. I said, yes, okay. Okay, I took the challenge and I said, it's okay, no problem. Just give me the laptop, open the PPT. And he opened the PPT, he ran the PPT on projector. I started speaking, okay. Initially, I didn't spoke on my company profile. I spoke on my profile. I represent myself first because what I feel, if I represent myself first and I am the speaker first, if my audience will understand me first in a very well manner, in a very good, a very good manner, if everything will be clear about me, they will get a clear idea about myself. Who am I, what I am doing here, and why I am here, then they will be going to listen on my speech, which is I'm going to elaborate to them that, okay, it's all about my company. Then they will get an interest about my company profile. If they don't get any interest on my profile, then definitely they are not going to listen about my company profile. So that's why we need to create first our profile in such a manner. If we represent our profile in front of any audience, maybe in social media, maybe in any seminar, maybe in any workshop, maybe any webinar, people will be attracting. First, people will be crazy about you, and they will be crazy to meet up with you, not your company. Forget about your company. Totally forget about your company. You just think that you are the company and you are worrying the company, you are into the company, your blood is the company, your food is the company, your tea is the company, everything is, you are the company itself. That's it. If they love you, then definitely they will like your company also. So that day I implemented that thought. Why? Yes, because I used to work in Delhi and Gurgaon area. I was telling one of your trainee, Saboni, yesterday night that Delhi and Gurgaon area is 10 times faster from Kolkata. You don't believe in 2009, I have used social media in Delhi locations and I learned from someone. At that moment, I don't think so. No, in 2009, I don't think so. In West Bengal, nobody was knowing about that there is a thing which is called digital marketing or social media marketing. We can use social media also. You don't believe. Once I got call from this PCS Global, okay, my MD found me on Facebook itself. Why? Because I used to post so many contents in Facebook, and he used to follow me. And suddenly he gave me a call and he asked me, "What about hi, hello?" And we had a general discussions. He offered me a position in this company. He offered me that you can work with us. Parallelly, you can work with your present company also. You don't have any issue. You can work from there, the similar locations. Maybe you can come to Kolkata and you can start here also. I accepted the proposal because I supposed to come back to Kolkata. I was come back to take care of my mom and dad as they are aged. Because I do only one elder sister. She is married. She cannot manage because she is having one family. I have to manage my mom and dad. So I came back to Kolkata. Then I joined this organization and parallelly. Still now, I am working in partially right now. I'm working with that old company and full time working with these organizations. And you can, if you can visit my profile, Facebook profile, you can get the old company also. That is a mybodhizone.com. It's an e-learning portal, literally. It's an e-learning platform where people will learn about anything, whatever you wanted to learn. Maybe related to MBA, maybe related to BBA, maybe related to BTech, MCA, diploma, whatever it is. So point is like you have to make your profile first very much lucrative and very much weighty, and it should have very much good contents. It should have very much of catchy things so the people will get attract on your profile, and then they will think, okay, you are working with these organizations. So if I join that organization, I can work with him or her closely. They'll be having a dream to work with him or her, with you. Okay, so that they will join that organizations. So that they will think, okay, if I join that organization, then I can work with her. I can work with him also. Without joining that organizations, I cannot work with him or her directly. So that is the point. And now I will elaborate about our company profile shortly. Like our company is an IT development company. Okay. In IT development company, basically what we used to do, we used to develop softwares. We used to develop websites. We used to develop Android mobile applications. We used to develop some desktop applications, and parallelly we used to develop some sort of internet security for our clients. Nowadays, we are working with data science. Nowadays, we are creating business models and we are supplying to the clients, and they are doing a good business by utilizing of our business models. So this company has been formed in 2009 exactly. Then we got promotion and we got promoted to the private limited. We got registration under MHRD, Ministry of Human Research and Development. We got registration under National Labor and Employment Ministry, Government of India. And we are organizing campus drive, online campus drive through NCS, that means National Career Services. We are tied up with National Skill Development Program. We are tied up with All India Technical Institute. This is the Technical Institute of Government of India, where if you join any government job, which is a technical position, technical officer, so the government will send you for training, internal training. Then you will come to ATI and you will have your training. Maybe you can learn SAP also over there. Maybe you can learn database. Maybe you can learn PHP. Whatever the job role you do have, you have to learn from them. It is a government organization formed by Central Government of India. And parallelly, we are working with some sort of state government also. And we are the most premium IT partner of Andaman government. We are the first company. We have developed our office in Port Blair, and we are tied up with 2 engineering colleges in Port Blair. One is a diploma college, one is a BTech college. We used to recruit resources from there, and we used to put them in Andaman itself to do our project. We got more projects in Andaman. And second thing is upcoming good news. We are going to open a good infrastructure in Andaman, and shortly you will get a scope. If you join a PCS Global, definitely you will get a scope to visit Andaman also. You don't believe, right now I am feeling so much sad because in last year I went to Andaman on May 38th and I came back to Kolkata on July 18th. I was there for 1.5 months, and I'm never going to forget all those days because it's like heaven. It's totally heaven. I stayed in Havelock for 7 days, and I didn't cover up the whole Andaman. I covered up about 30 to 35%, and I didn't allow my team members also. There are no 4 team members with me from my company, and you don't believe the company has given us an amount 10,000 each for the expenditure to roam around Andaman, to have to Havelock. This is apart from our daily expenditure. It is a gift from the company that we should visit Havelock once. And so the point is like we do have exposures in sort of job role. We do so much excursions. We do travel a lot. Last 2 months we travel a very lot. Like before this lockdown, we have traveled so many places in Odisha, so many places in Andhra, so many places in West Bengal even also. So, and we enjoyed a lot. We used to travel like 6 members, 7 members in a team, and we used to stay in a college for 3 days or 4 days or 5 days. I'll say one more story. We have visited BIT, Birla Institute of Technology, and it's in Devghar. Okay. We went there for campus drive. We went there for organizing one workshop, literally. And the workshop was on data science. So me and 2 female resources, 3 female resources, and 1 more male resource from data science team member, we 5 visited there. And you know very well there is a Baba Dham, okay, in Devghar, and people used to visit. So once we reached there, the college authority asked us that you can visit Baba Dham tomorrow morning, as it is Monday. So Monday morning you can visit Baba Dham and you can give puja also. If you do it on Monday, it will be good for you. So we said, okay, what do you have to do? They said nothing. You have to be prepared on the morning, 6 o'clock. We'll give you a cab and the cab will take you to the mandir and you can visit also. We'll do the VIP pass, don't worry. And you don't believe we went the Baba Dham in the morning, 6 o'clock. Okay, Monday morning, the first day in our college. And the morning we did puja. And it's a very long queue we have to pass. Then we saw the whole temple and we did puja and we was very happy. And we came back college by 8 o'clock and I was having breakfast. Suddenly my MD called me and he told me that you don't believe I have a very good news for you. I said, what? So he said, we got the tender from Andaman. And you don't believe the college authority was telling us yesterday, that day, Sunday night, that you go to Avalam and pray, you'll get it. Definitely. I was telling you, is it so? They said, yes, sir, you will get it. You don't believe even also that day I prayed that we should got the Andaman project. Because if we get the Andaman project, then we'll get more revenue. We can pay our resources more high. Because we don't feel good that people are joining here. We are spending a valuable time together and they are going a better company for a higher salary. So it will be helpful for us to pay you that kind of salary which you are getting in MNC, and you can stay with us also. Because in terms of infrastructure, we do have good infrastructure. In terms of work culture, we do have very good work culture. In terms of female security, touchwood, we do have very good protocols and security. In terms of quality of work, it's very high. In terms of softwares, we don't purchase any software from outside. Whatever we need, we make from ourselves. Just we have to increase the package so that people will be going to stay with us. Now we are paying around whatever the package it is feasible for us. We wanted to make it like 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs in future as soon as possible. That day I was very happy that I got the project, and that project will help us. We are going to about to start, but suddenly due to this lockdown, we have stopped. After this lockdown period, we'll be visiting Andaman and we are going to start the projects. We do have 7 projects in Andaman, and all are automations in terms of traffic, in terms of education, in terms of tribal medicines, in terms of women security, in terms of child education. Everything will make fully automated, totally fully automated. We'll implement IoT, we'll implement applications, sensors, and we'll make everything automated in Andaman. We'll change Andaman within next 2 years. That is our challenge. And we are the first IT company. We reached Andaman and we opened our branch. Why did I share all this? Because you are the frontliner of our organization from today. You should know about the company for which you are working. You should know about the company's achievements and company structures so that you will feel proud to work with our organizations. And you will be gaining that much of strength. Okay, boss, I am working with PCS Global. So I do have one request. Here I can see one people has joined. I don't know what is his or her full name. And the name I can see white red. Can you please change your name? You can put your original name. Anyone who is having not original name, they are not allowed in this meeting room. So why red? Please change your original. Write down your original name. Rename yourself, or you can tell me. I can rename also. What I was telling. So you have to know about the company. So let me give you one sort of small introduction, which I have given already. Let me show you something. I'll share my screen and I'll show you some of our projects, what we are doing, so that you can get that much of idea and you can represent the company properly. Let me share my screen. I hope I'm not bored. Am I boring?
Sir. No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Very much enjoying. Thank you so much for sharing.
Welcome, madam. Welcome, madam.
Shomuk sir, a few more candidates have also joined us. I think three of them.
Madam, your voice is not coming. Your voice is breaking. Madam, your voice is breaking.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible
Still
now?
it is breaking. Still it is breaking. If you change your position, ma'am, it will be better.
Yeah, I just changed my position.
Sorry.
I came beside the window. I came beside the window. I came beside the window. Still, I am not audible properly.
I'm very sorry to say, ma'am, but we'll take care of your internet connection as soon as possible. Okay.
Okay, yes, yes.
Okay,
Thank
okay.
you. Okay, I'm just saying that a few candidates have also joined us. I think Dia Datta is one of them. And someone, yeah. Dia, if you could kindly unmute and introduce yourself.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, please introduce yourself.
Hello.
Yes, madam.
Hello.
Introduce yourself.
We can hear you. We can hear you.
I am Shravani Datta, Kharagpur. Can you hear me?
Yes. We can hear you. Please continue.
I think she muted herself again.
No, actually, she was trying a lot. She's having an internet connection problem. She was chatting with me in WhatsApp, and now she got a chance to get into the meeting room.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes, we can hear you. Please continue. Madam, we can hear you. Please continue. Dia, we can. Your name is Dia or your name is Shravani, right?
Shravani.
Yes, Shravani. Dia is the nickname. Okay. Shravani, madam, we can hear you. We can continue. Okay, I don't think so.
And there is someone why is it?
Let me see, ma'am. Let me see. Anyone new in this meeting room who didn't give the introduction? Please come up.
Because sir, when you are like giving the instruction and I saw you
Pranjali, madam, your voice is breaking.
can
I'm very sorry to say your voice is breaking. Let me take the control. If anyone is new in this meeting room, please give your introduction. You can come and give your introduction. Okay, let me share the screen. Now I'm exactly using my MD's profile actually. I logged in my laptop through my MD's profile and I logged in through mobile in my profile. So it is showing all of that he is our MD. So this is our one e-learning portal and people used to learn and those are joining our organization they used to learn from this portal because if anyone is joining as a trainee software developer or any kind of role of development role, so that resource has to uh, one second, I'm getting a call. So আমি যেটা বলছিলাম যে this is our learning portal. Once a developer is joining, that moment the developer cannot work. If I am selecting any BTech resource, that guy is not having such kind of knowledge that he will sit and he will work for the organization and he will be doing the project development then and there. It is not possible. They have to learn. So how they will learn? We will train them, we will transfer them the knowledge and everything. And gradually they will be knowing how to work, and gradually they will join in the development team and they will work for us. So here in this tutorial sector, we do have some kind of, materials, contents on every technologies, and they can learn from here also. It is absolutely free of cost. Anyone can learn who is having interest on computer programming language, they can learn. So this is our own product, and it has been made by Java. I heard that Surangana is from Java background. She worked in CTS and she worked on Java. So I will ask Surangana also, you can have a visit on this website and you can give you valuable inputs. You can give you reviews also, which we can implement in our portal. And maybe it can change our portal also.
Sure,
And
sir.
next, thank you so much, madam. Next, I will show one more portal. Yes, this is the second portal. This is the name is the professional tutors. It has been made by us and it has been also developed by Java. Okay. Now the service of this portal is like every teacher can register here, every student can register here, and they can exchange their contact and they can get the teacher. A student can get the teacher can get the student, and they can communicate through this platform. They can have their sessions online. So this is the purpose of this portal, and this is our oldest portal, most oldest portal. You can see the year 2011 we made it, and it is 2020, 9 years old portal this is. So this is the most oldest portal of our organizations. Every portal is giving us revenue, every portal. Now let me show you one more portal. Okay, this is for, now we got an idea that once we are doing online internship, we should have dedicatedly one portal for this. This is called remote internship portal. The link is smartintern.pcsglobal.in. Smartintern.pcsglobal.in. So it has the whole facility, whole life cycle of smart internship. You can do your registration, you can attend your sessions, you can get your certificate, everything is online. Everything is online here. And this is absolutely fully automated, and it is under development. Now already we have developed, but every portal is under develop. Every portal has some changes, and frequently it will change. And next I will show you one more portal. And every portal is made by Java. Backend is Java. This is also made by Java, and this is dedicated for data science. Those are going to join in data science internship, and they are going to work with this portal literally. This is for mainly data science, and we are managing our clients by using this portal. We do have some clients from Health Ministry, Government of India, and we do have project from Education Ministry. So in Health Ministry, what we are doing by using data science, we are creating some sort of business models, and we will be giving them solutions to dissolve and to remove hepatitis from India mainly. What is the purpose? Like, we will get the data from the health ministry, and we'll get an overall data from the health ministry of last 10 years or 12 years. From we will analyze that what kind of people are having hepatitis, what are the reasons behind, is there any gene related reasons are there, and then we will find out the solutions. We'll give some suggestions to create some medicines or vaccines which will recommend the government to inject a, a person who is going to conceive, so that that lady will be having the medicine before giving the birth to the child, so that it will going to be inject before the birth, and the child will be coming without any hepatitis. And like this way, maybe upcoming 3 generations or 4 generations, after 3 generations or 4 generations, we can remove 100% hepatitis from India. Maybe we can utilize in throughout the world also. So that is the perspective of this kind of projects which we are doing with the health ministry. Second project we do have with the health ministry, which is for women's welfare. Maximum times we have seen that they do have hormone problems. Sometimes we need to remove some most important organs of female body. How we can protect it, and how we can dissolve the problem. For that also we are creating some business models, so that the government will get an idea if is there any medicines we will suggest. So again, that medicine we can create some vaccines, and we can give randomly to all the females in India, and we can remove it gradually. It is time taking, but we can do it if we do properly, if we use machine learning properly, and if we use big data, because this 10 years data size will be very huge, 100 TBs or 1000 TB. So in that case, we have to utilize big data. We cannot utilize MySQL only. We can have to use a very strong database management system, and then only we can do it. So this is our one of the portal also. Like that, we do have near about 11 portals. Every portal is having a particular perspective. Yesterday night, me and MD was working, and 4 o'clock in the morning, he was telling me that तुम की जानो you know that आजकल और लोग movies वगैरह नहीं देखते हैं, टीवी सीरियल भी नहीं देखते हैं, सबके घर में स्मार्ट टीवी आ गया है, और धीरे धीरे ये स्टार उत्सव, ये सब जी चैनल, ये सब देखना बंद हो जा रहा है. People are now watching web series, maybe Bengali, maybe Hindi, maybe English, maybe movies, but through the web series like Netflix or maybe Hoichoi or maybe Hotstar. There are so many platforms through which we can see the web series. Then I got an idea suddenly. I told him, let's do one thing. Let's create one service, a new product. Name will be Web Series Training. Web Series Training. Why it is Web Series Training? Because why it is web? Because it is fully automated and fully online. That's why it is web. And why it is series? Only 4 days of training. Only 4 weekend, Sunday. 4 Sundays the people will attend, and they will learn from us something. We are going to charge a minimum amount from them, like only 1,000 rupees per se for 4 days. But we will give them as much as knowledge we can give them. And why it is training? Because they will be learning here. That's why the name is Web Series Training. And I told him that if I put the name Web Series, this Web Series word is very catchy to everyone right now. Maximum 75% population is well known about this web series. सबको पता है web series क्या है. If I utilize that word in my product, definitely it is going to boom in the market. आप लोगों को क्या लगता है? Is it going to boom or not? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, of course.
Yes, because students are very much attracted about the web series. तो अगर आपको कभी कहीं पे एडवर्टाइजमेंट दिखा हो वेब सीरीज ट्रेनिंग, डेफिनेटली विल लुक इनसाइड दैट वेब सीरीज ट्रेनिंग ये क्या होता है. Okay, right. So you'll be curious. That means being a marketing guy, maybe digital, maybe physical, you have to create curiosity inside your visitor, or maybe inside your client, maybe inside your audience, so that they will be getting a curiosity. What is it exactly? I have to go inside and I have to see. Please turn off the speaker. It is echoing. किसी ने मोबाइल का स्पीकर स्विच ऑन कर दिया है, उसको स्विच ऑफ कीजिए और हेडफोन यूज कीजिए प्लीज. So that means we have to create curiosity, and the curiosity will be increasing inside them. What is that? Sometimes हम लोग कभी कहीं पे रेस्टोरेंट में खाने जाते हैं तो बाहर हम लोग को दिखता है कोई एड पर्टिकुलर कैची वर्ड्स हम लोग को दिखता है, एंड लेकिन हम लोगों को पता नहीं चलता है कि वो स्कीम क्या है, क्या मिलने वाला है, क्या खाना मिलने वाला है, क्या ड्रिंक्स मिलने वाला है, क्या मिलने वाला है, हम लोग को आइडिया नहीं लगता है. For that we need to go inside of the restaurant or bar, and then we have to ask the bartender or the restaurant boy that what is the offer. Then he or she will explain, and then if we get interest, we usually sit there and we usually have our lunch and dinner. So that catchy words which they are showing outside of the building, that attracts us, and that has been created a curiosity inside of us. Then only we went inside. One more example I can give you. I hope you have seen the advertisement of Amul. The Amul is having a very, very simple hoarding throughout the India, even also in any native place, even also at a district, even also metropolitan, you can see the hoarding. It doesn't have any LED board. It doesn't have any bright colors. It will be having a very savvy color. Simple drawing they will do. It's a medium size of hoarding. It's not in a sky height, a normal height in roadside. And you will see Amul cartoon girl is there, and the ad is related to something recent topic. Did anyone visited that? Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, now see this. अच्छा लेटेस्ट कुछ यहाँ पे, हाँ ये देखते हैं.
सर वो लोग सब लेटेस्ट टॉपिक के ऊपर बनाते हैं
हाँ
एवरीथिंग.
एकदम एकदम. Now see शांत शर्मा शांत क्योंकि शर्मा हमेशा झमेला करता है फील्ड में, ठीक है.
शांत शर्मा.
यस, उसका हैबिट ऐसा है कि वो आर्गुमेंट करने लग जाता है, फाइट करने लगता है, एरोगेंट है थोड़ा. सो इसी टॉपिक के ऊपर उन्होंने ये ऐड बना दिया. नाउ यहाँ पे और कुछ नहीं लिखा है, देखिए कुछ नहीं लिखा है. शांत शर्मा शांत अमूल, देन लिखा है धमाकेदार मस्का. So it will create a curiosity inside of you, and you will get, you know very well कि अमूल का क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट है. Okay, but you will be loving and you will be enjoying this, advertisement. Now see this. There are lots of, and you don't believe Amul is having in marketing divisions maximum resources are from IIM, Indian Institute of Management, and these are the ideas by them only. See this one, स्वाद से स्वागत. So यहाँ पे भी उसने ये यूज कर दिया. So these ads are very much attractive. Okay, that we have to create. This is the main thing we have to learn. that nowadays the ads are not patent. Something new we have to create, and something attractive we have to create. So if we conclude today's sessions, first we have to build up our profile. That means our LinkedIn profile, our Facebook profile, our Twitter profile, our Instagram profile, our TikTok profile, and our Pinterest profile. Every profile we have to build up very good way, and we have to keep update. We have to be very active in all those profiles also regularly. Then we will create advertisement, maybe posters, maybe videos, maybe content that to be written on topics and which is catchy and which is create curiosity. Most purpose is to create curiosity. That we will post by using our own profile in different social medias. That is the main fund of social media marketing. Now, if I go back to the main point, which is called digital marketing, there are near about 6-7 main components are there in digital marketing. Okay, first is SEO. SEO, that is search engine optimization, one tool which we have to purchase from Google. It has been made by Google. Then next tool is Google Ads, which we have to purchase from Google. Next is Google AdWords, which you have to purchase from Google. Next is content writing. Next is blogging. Next is social media marketing. These are the main components of digital marketing. And I will request Shalini, if I am missing any point, can you give your inputs?
No, sir. Every point is here. There is also analytics.
Analytics, yes, that we have to do. How we are working on or not, how our advertisement is working or not. That is Alexa rating also we can check, that our website's visiting rate we can count. That is called Alexa. So these are the main components of digital marketing. So although we have started some of the components, and like Shaili, Sushobon, Shubham, and Sambhu, they have attended earlier sessions. But now I will repeat all the sessions once again. And today we will end up the sessions right now. But from the next day, I will start from one component. First component we will start, that is social media marketing. Why? Because as I said, first we need to build up our profile. Because as we are going to do marketing in behalf of PCS Global, पहले हम लोगों का प्रोफाइल अच्छे से बनाना पड़ेगा, उसको अपडेट करना पड़ेगा, एडिट करना पड़ेगा, सेवरल ग्रुप में ज्वाइन करना पड़ेगा, सेवरल पेजेस में ज्वाइन करना पड़ेगा, सेवरल कंटेंट हम लोगों को फ्रीक्वेंटली वहाँ पे अपलोड करना है, ऑडियंस इंक्रीज करना है, फेसबुक में फॉलोअर्स इंक्रीज करना है, लिंक्डइन में फॉलोअर्स इंक्रीज करना है, फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट इंक्रीज करना है, and we have to write articles also in Facebook and in LinkedIn also. Then gradually our profile will be sound, and then I will throw the product of the companies through my profile. Then definitely the company will get a revenue. Yes, you are intern, but as I have discussed with Sushaman also, I told him yesterday night, day before yesterday night, Sushaman, you are a guy who is working as a company in a marketing intern. So it will be your 100% positive activity if you can earn a single rupee, even also it is 1 rupee. And if a company will give you an incentive, you will feel the taste of money. The money has a taste. If you get a genuine money in your account and by giving you hard efforts, that money has a flavor, that money will give you a feelings and which will give you a positive energy. Those who have already worked, and they can feel what I am going to say. And those who are going to work, they can also feel the excitement that getting money is very much highly, ambitious thing and positive thing. That too by doing genuine works. So this is the offer for all of you. You learn from us and do the marketing in your company. Try to generate a single penny also for the company. So that end of the day you feel, okay, boss, I did it. Okay, maybe it is single penny, but I did it. I got the idea. If I give more time, if I stay with the company as an employee, I can do it. I can earn it. You don't need to go anywhere. I don't go anywhere. I came back to my native, and it is near about 100 kilometers from Kolkata. I came back to my native, and I came back here on 24th March. From 25th to till now, I didn't go anywhere. Nowhere. I'm just following the lockdown 100%, you can say. And every 10 days or 12 days, maybe I'm going outside, and I used to purchase all the home essentials. But I never, apart from that, I never visit any place. Maybe no marketplace, no friend's house, no relative's house, nothing. I'm just working for my company. I'm learning so much new things. I'm generating new ideas, and I'm sharing ideas with my company, and my company is accepting my ideas within a second, and we are implementing that idea within a few seconds also. As I have requested in this group yesterday, I'm requesting right now also to all of you, try to generate some new ideas. We are not going to take your idea. Okay, we'll pay you for your idea, definitely. You can implement your idea in your future company, maybe in your business also, but let us approve your idea. Come up with your idea, discuss with us, and let us approve your idea. Let us give you more inputs to concrete your idea, whether it is going to work out or not. And that thing will increase your thought process. If you are coming to the marketing, you have to increase your thought process. आपको सोचना पड़ेगा. At least daily 1 hour, 1.5 hours in the night, or maybe in the morning, you have to think in a fresh air, what should I do today, which will click, which will create a hype in the market, and which will give me a very good return in my business or maybe for my company. So that we have to, identify, and we have to do something. So I think we have done for today. And the next day sessions, it will be pre-scheduled. Let me declare you the schedule. It will be on Friday by 7 p.m. We'll do the next sessions on Friday by 7 p.m. Is it okay for all of you?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shubham.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shubham.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, आपने आपके कॉलेज के साथ बातचीत किया, जूनियर्स के साथ बातचीत हुआ?
Sir, everybody is busy in their internship, so nobody. Sir, exams are also going to be conducted. So some might be in 2 weeks they will declare, because our government has said that.
इसीलिए आपका आवाज थोड़ा डाउन हो गया है.
No, sir, because our state government said that you can conduct exam, but colleges will not open. For exams only they will open. So.
Huh?
So
exams only they will open. Then again the people will infected. It should be online.
So what they're doing, I don't know, but I think they will do online. I think because our college is converted into a hospital, so no chances of conducting physical examination. So might be online examination.
Okay, so now the rate in Odisha is high. It is increasing rapidly. Is it so that the number of corona patients are increasing in Odisha very high?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So we have to be. Yes, tell me.
The patients are increasing, but recovery rate is also high, sir. But death rate is very low. Only 7 people have died till now. So that's why our government is taking proper steps, I think.
Let us allow in your state.
No, sir. Sir, for call. Sir,
please take your cab, and we wanted to go to Odisha.
Our state was well managing coronavirus. Lockdown was
Don't worry, we are coming to your place. We will leave Bengal and we'll come to Odisha. Okay. Here even we don't have any idea how many patients are there, how many died. There is no
The
fair
maximum
news.
patients in Odisha are from Kolkata and Gujarat.
No, please do not blame like this. Okay, we feel very much regrets. We don't get proper service here, and I know very much people are now they are going
Yes,
back from
sir, it is
Kolkata.
a real fact. So maximum return is which are coming from outside state like Kolkata and Surat. Sir, that's why our increasing rate is patients are increasing.
Okay. Don't worry, we'll be okay. We have to take care of our parents. We have to take care of the persons who are aged in our home. We have to take care so that they can go to house. They should not go outside of home anyhow. They should not go.
Yes,
And you have to sanitize your home frequently. Within 1 day or 2 days frequency, you have to sanitize, and you have to sanitize all the regular access things like the doors handles, and the mobile remotes, switches, everything you have to sanitize frequently. And if you're going outside, take a good protection and keep distance from everyone, because it's all about not you, it's all about your family members. We should not go in an open manners, and we should not be irresponsible. So that is my request. I hope you will be liking, you'll be enjoying working with us. And I will introduce my other team members also in future. I'll ask my MD. He's a very simple guy. His age is 37. He's a company owner, but he's not having any scooty also. He's having a simple bicycle. And you won't believe, in this lockdown period, he is staying in Kasba, Daliganj. In this lockdown period, he went office 2 times, Sector 5, by cycle only. It took near about 1.5 hours. Okay. In the morning, 5 o'clock, he started journey and he reached Sector 5, 6:30 in the morning. I said, why? He said, well, boss, I was not feeling good. I wanted to see my office. I wanted to see it once. So that's why I uploaded my office infrastructure in YouTube. If you see our YouTube, you can see our Kolkata Sector 5 office, one office, which is in Primer Tower. And you can see our Bangalore infrastructure also in YouTube. Already we have uploaded. So I will request to see our YouTube channels, to go through some of the videos, surf all the videos, go through our PCS Global Facebook page, go through our PCS Global LinkedIn page, and go through our activities, go through my profile, go through Premanjuli's profile, and go through Sushaman's profile, go through Sahili's profile, go through Sambhu's profile, go through Subham's profile, go through Sunit's profile. They are all there. So you'll get an idea what we are going to do. Next year, I will help you to build up your profiles, and I can take control your PC. I can help you. I can suggest you what changes we have to do. These kind of changes you have to do in once you are going to join another organization, and because proper branding is needed. Now companies are changing their marketing policies. They're not asking the customers that you pay me and take this. No, they're asking the customers, yes, this is the product, you take it, you go home and utilize. If you feel better, then pay me. That means the way of pitching is changing, the branding is changing. Okay, the form of branding is changing, medium of branding is changing. So we have to change as per it. And if anyone wants to join our organization in digital marketing, or maybe in HR, maybe as a HR counselor, maybe as a corporate HR, always welcome. And just feel free to contact with us. We'll give you opportunity definitely. You have to go through on interview sessions. Definitely you can join as soon as possible. Anyone can join. And I hope you will be enjoying with us. Yeah, you will be liking the working atmosphere, process, and everything. It is very flexible. Anytime you can do your works. And in social media, generally throughout the whole daytime, you don't have any activities. Mainly, we do have activities in morning time, which is the main peak time of social media. Maximum people are using social media in morning 6 o'clock to 10 o'clock before reaching their office, before reaching their school, colleges, and institutions and all, before starting their home activities. For say for the housewife, for say for the uncle and aunties, or maybe grandfather, grandparents are there. So in the morning they usually scroll social media platforms, and evening also, and night time, sleeping time, from 10 to 12, 11, and 1 p.m., 1 a.m. also. You don't believe, yesterday night I was online around 2:30, 2:30. I usually sleep by 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock every day. This is my normal sleeping time. And might be a little surprising how this guy is having so much of high energy. I don't take so much of food. I take less foods. I took usually I took fruits in a huge quantity. Fruits I take, and I took dry fruits also to gain the high energy. And I do meditations every morning because we all are trained under Art of Living. My Guruji is Sri Ravi Shankar, and in terms of meditation, he is my Guruji. And I do have marketing guru. His name is Mr. Abel Roy. You can see his profile in LinkedIn. AVELOROY, Abel Roy. He is my marketing guru, and he is very genius. He is just 27 years old, and he is a millionaire. He is the owner of 7 multinational companies. He is an ITN, and he did his MBA from Oxford University. Then he opened one business, which is called, name is Kolkata Venture. So this is the story of and this is the story of my company. So if you do have any questions, feel free to ask questions about this internship program or anything. Otherwise, we'll close the sessions. So I'm waiting for the questions. Any questions? Any doubt? Yes.
Sir Shubham here.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, next class will join.
Next class, yes, I'll be there on Friday.
So we'll
7
join.
p.m. Yes, definitely. Now all we are in the same team. We are in a similar platform. We'll exchange the knowledge with the newcomers, and
Okay,
we'll
sir.
become them in a similar positions.
Okay, sir.
Then we will go in the front line with more power, more strength.
Okay, sir.
Maybe this number will increase tomorrow also. Maybe. I hope so.
Okay, sir.
Any more questions?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, that means I am so much boring. सब लोग सो
No,
गए हैं.
sir. You can
No,
continue.
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
More.
Enjoying.
Okay. Okay, no issues. We will enjoy a lot of activities there. Okay, we can do it online also. Don't worry. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we will keep in touch further in WhatsApp group. And I do have one workbook. It's a Word file which I will share in the WhatsApp group. And everybody is in WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I think in this meeting room, everybody are in WhatsApp group.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll share the document. We just go through the document. I will explain. And sometimes I will be, Pramanjali madam will also post some contents and poster also, which you can share. Let me show you one website, which is your home task. You have to explore this website, but do not show anyone. This is very secret thing. I'm showing you. You can learn, but can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The website name is postermyworld.com. I will share the link in WhatsApp group. Shirley, you recommended someone who wants to join in HR SIP.
Yes, sir.
Is he or she from your college?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will communicate with you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, it's not coming here. Let me paste in.
Sir, I am sending.
Okay, you are sharing. Thank you so much.
Sir, can you please go to the website again, please? One sec.
This one, postermyworld.com. postermyworld.com.
Yes, sir. Done. Done, sir. Done.
Thank you so much. So check out this website. Here you have to create one login ID and password. Okay. And you can make posters free of cost. You can download it. You can post in social media. And you can design your own posters. All these are the posters I made by using this portal.
Sir, is there any subscription fees or is it
No,
free?
it's free. Absolutely free of cost.
Oh. Okay.
It is absolutely free of cost. Next day, I will show how we can make a poster here. Okay, but this is a home task. You have to explore this site.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you so much and good night. See you on Friday.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, sir. Thank you.
Okay,
So
everyone,
we'll
thank
close,
you.
With the, so Iman madam, now we can close the meeting. Sorry, Premanjali madam.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now we can stop the meeting. I think so.